Hello, welcome to Ukoi AI channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through everything about ElevenLabs, a professional tool for converting text to speech and cloning voices. If you're looking to create fast and engaging content, this is the video for you. Let's dive in. So what is ElevenLabs? ElevenLabs is an integrated AI tool that allows text-to-speech conversion with incredible realism. Not only is it professional for media purposes, but it also supports educational projects, teaching, and much more. Key features: high-quality text-to-speech conversion, feature to change from one voice to another voice, AI-powered unique sound effects, personalized voice creation for unique needs, multilingual video content translation. Who should use ElevenLabs? Creative content creators, podcasters, broadcasters, filmmakers, video editors, and storytellers, online educators, and course creators. Steps to create an account. Visit the ElevenLabs website via the link in the video description. After logging into the link, you will access the ElevenLabs app. Select Free to start registration. Please choose a Gmail account and create a pass to register for the account, then go to Gmail to confirm and then officially use it. When you use it, you can use it for free or upgrade for Starter, Creator, or Pro services according to the monthly package. Or sign up for an annual plan and get an additional 2 months free to get extended credits for creating longer voices that are more suitable for you to use. Here you can briefly view the offers of each package. For more details, you can refer to them when accessing the application. Using text-to-speech. 1. Open the text-to-speech interface on the home page. 2. Enter or paste your text into the input box.
Hello, I am Ukoyai.
This area is used to adjust voice quality and voice speed. Or you can choose different voice styles.
Hello, I am Ukoyai. Hello, I am Ukoyai. Hello, I am Ukoyai.
Next, changing voice tones. Here you can upload your existing recording file, or you can record directly on this application. With this feature, you can change the tone, style, emotion, or even switch the voice to another voice at will. Next is to create sound effects for the video. There are sound effects here: cars running, rain falling, animals, city noise, etc. I texted the car sound effects for your reference, and each time the file is exported, there will be 4 types of effects for free use. Next is the language conversion feature from our original language. To create a voice clip from the original audio file, go to this area to enter some necessary information according to our wishes. Here, enter your information and original audio file or a certain audio file, and choose the number of sounds and languages to create. With the voice personalization feature, from a text, ElevenLabs will automatically read that text according to your voice. Of course, you will install this feature and ElevenLabs will send you an email to avoid spoofing your voice for malicious purposes. Okay, today my video is just here. If you find it useful, Please give me a subscribe, like and share button so I can be motivated to make the next videos. In addition, if you are interested in those who want to build a channel to make money online, you can refer to the related videos I attached in the description below, or visit my website link for reference. Goodbye and see you again.